stop your competitors from eating your customers? Do you want to save your customers from your competitors? We will explain why you are lagging your competitors. Steve Cakes and John Cakes are cake shops and are competing neck to neck in the traditional market. Now let's see what happens in the online world and who wins. A guy searches for cakes online. He sees Steve Cakes' website and chooses his favorite fruitcake immediately. Doesn't want no website to check and buy John's cake online. Seeing his competition get ahead of his business, John hires an agency for creating an outstanding website, and they do. Again, another person searches for cakes, but still John's website is not shown to the customer. The person chooses Steve Cakes instead and gets his cake. John worries about lacking the growth of digital business. Then he learns about SEO and gets an agency to optimize his site. Reason 2: John's website was not optimized for SEO. Steve Cakes always sends an email and SMS of new offers to his visitors' customers to keep them happy and engaged. Thus, he ends up taking away John Cakes' customers. Reason 3: John forgot to nurture his customers through email and SMS. Steve Cakes knows how to keep his audience engaged on social media through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and keep them updated about cakes, takes their feedbacks, and gives them incentives regularly. Reason 4: John's social media presence is less, thereby failing reaching new customers or engaging the existing customers. Steve Cakes invests his online profit to acquire new customers through targeted ads, while John Cakes does not make any profit online. Why do you think Steve won? Steve works hard. Steve works smart. Steve has done digital marketing from EduPristine. Be like Steve. A holistic view of digital marketing from industry experts at EduPristine.